Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 23rd January. Let's start. In the year of 1565, on this day, the thriving Hindu kingdom Vijayawada collapsed after the Battle of Talikota. In the year of 1664, on this day, Sahaji Bhonsle, the father of Maharaj Shivaji, passed away. In the year of 1809 on this day, Veer Surendra Shahi, Indian freedom fighter, was born in Odisha. On 22nd September 2018, Jharsuguda became the second city in the state of Odisha to have an airport which was named in honor of Sai. In the year of 1814, on this day, Alexander Cunningham, known as the father of archaeological exploration of India, was born. Alexander Cunningham was the first Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India. In the year of 1897, on this day, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a fighter who raised the trumpet of revolution against British rule in India, was born in Cuttack, Odisha. In the year of 1920, on this day, air transport and air postal service were started. In the year of 1926, on this day, Bal Thackeray, who understood the pulse of Maharashtra politics, was born. He formed the regional party Shiv Sena and paved the way to the corridors of power. In the year of 1965, on this day, Durgapur steel plant started functioning. In the year of 1966, on this day, Indira Gandhi became the first female Prime Minister of India. In the year of 1973, on this day, announcement of the Vietnam Peace Agreement by US President Richard Nixon, ending the longest war the US had ever fought. The ceasefire came into force on 27th January. In the year of 1976, on this day, Kapil Vastu, the missing city of Gautam Buddha, was discovered after excavation. In the year of 1977, on this day, the Janata Party was formed by merging several political parties to contest the general elections against the Congress led by Indira Gandhi. In the year of 1996, on this day, the first version of the Java programming language was released. In the year of 1997, on this day, Madeleine Albright taken over as Secretary of State in President Bill Clinton's government. She was America's first female Secretary of State. In the year of 2009, on this day, the ban on the display of smoking scenes in films and television programs was lifted. In the year of 2019, on this day, Venezuelan opposition leader Juan Guaido declared himself president amid widespread violent protests against the regime of President Nicolas Maduro. In the year of 2021, on this day, Sustainable Environment and Ecological Development Society and Dr. Rajendra Kumar Bhandari were given the Subhash Chandra Bose Apada Prabandhan Puraskar for outstanding work in disaster management. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Ayushman Bharat Health Scheme for the Central Armed Police Forces. In the year of 2021, on this day, the Border Security Force BSF began Operation Sardhava along the western international border of Rajasthan. The Border Security Force had increased surveillance along the Pakistan border in Rajasthan as part of its Operation Sardhava from 23rd January to 28th January. In the year of 2022, today is celebrated as Parakram Divas. Every year on 23rd January, the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose will be celebrated as Parakram Divas. On 2nd August 2021, the Government of India had announced to celebrate 23rd January every year as Parakram Divas. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.